September is PCOS Awareness Month. So here's my story time, paano nga ba ako na-diagnose with PCOS? Pasok ako sa criteria which is having irregular menstruation, weight gain, androgen excess, acne, infertility, high levels of insulin, etc. There's no cure with PCOS, but we can still manage it. Alam naman natin na lifelong condition na talaga pag meron kang PCOS. Paano nga ba natin mamamanage pag meron kang PCOS? Unang-una, healthy lifestyle, and itong supplement na tong My PCOS. Supplements like this can help improve the symptoms of PCOS. Dahil ayoko na mag-pills dahil trying to conceive ako, dito nag-regular yung menstruation ko. Kung mapapanood nyo yung old videos ko, ilalagay ko dito. Ayan, matagal ko na talagang ginagamit tong product na to. Better consult your OBGYN before taking any supplement. Pero if gusto nyo i-try, lalagay ko lang yan dito sa yellow basket ko. Bye!